In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. First, open up GoDaddy, then go to My Products. Here, you'll see all of your domains. I'm going to verify this domain here, searchbasemethod.com. Next, go to Google Search Console. The easiest way to get there is just by Googling Google Search Console. Click on the first result and it will take you to the Search Console page. Now, click on the drop-down menu and select Add Property. Here, enter your domain. Go back to GoDaddy, copy your domain, and simply paste it into the first option. Then click Continue. It will attempt to verify, but since you haven't set it up yet, verification will fail. At this point, it will give you instructions for GoDaddy. You can then click Start Verification. The great thing is that it can automatically connect through GoDaddy. Just click on Connect and it should link up right away. GoDaddy makes it very simple. After a few seconds, it will verify successfully and you'll see Ownership Verified. That's all you need to do. I hope this video